The Pacers and the Thunder are about to tip off in the NBA Finals. But this isn't just a story of underdogs and buzzer beaters. It's the biggest financial showdown in basketball history. Because what's really at stake? Billions of dollars, franchise values, TV empires, and a rare chance for small markets to hit the jackpot. Welcome to the business behind the NBA Finals, where the real MVP is the money. Before we dive into how this game became a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, make sure you hit subscribe to the Money Manual. Because here we don't just watch the game, we follow the money behind it. Now let's break down how this finals became a business masterclass. The Oklahoma City Thunder were once bought for just $300 million. Today, they're valued at over $3 billion. The Pacers? Sitting at around $2.5 billion and climbing fast. Why? Because a finals run is the ultimate brand boost. Winning games is one thing, but winning the finals sends your team's value through the roof. And these aren't just basketball teams anymore. They're billion-dollar assets in the sports investment world. Every game you watch is part of a massive revenue engine. Broadcast rights alone are worth over $2.6 billion per year. Advertisers are paying nearly $700,000 for 30 seconds of airtime during the finals. That's more than a luxury house for half a minute. Then there's merch, ticket sales, sponsorships, and a spike in NBA League Pass subscriptions. Every dunk, every replay, every timeout is making someone somewhere a lot of money. Here's the twist. This year's finals aren't between New York and LA. It's Indiana versus Oklahoma City, two of the smallest media markets in the NBA, now commanding national attention. That's a win for league parity, and a goldmine for proving small markets can still drive massive profits. But what does this mean for the NBA's financial strategy? Let's follow the money. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is already a star. But after this finals, he might sign the next $300 million contract. Finals exposure boosts more than legacy. It boosts endorsement deals, shoe sales, and negotiation power. Players on both teams are earning bonuses, climbing endorsement charts, and building their own brand empires, one clutch shot at a time. And the real game isn't played on the court. It's played at the negotiating table after the season ends. Indianapolis and OKC aren't just watching. They're cashing in. Hotels are fully booked. Restaurants are slammed. Local businesses are booming. Each finals game brings millions in tourism and local spending. And that's just the start. Because the ripple effect of national exposure boosts the entire city's brand and economic value. These cities just became financial players on a global stage. Behind the scenes, another giant is winning: Disney. With ESPN broadcasting the finals, the viewership surge translates directly into ad revenue and leverage in future media rights negotiations. The NBA's next TV deal could exceed $75 billion. That's right, billion, and every close game, every viral highlight pushes that price tag even higher. This finals isn't just content, it's financial leverage. This is more than a championship. It's a test of the NBA's business model. Can two small market teams deliver big market returns? Can you sell out arenas, break viewership records, and still grow globally without LeBron, Curry, or KD? If yes, it opens the door for more teams, more parity, more profits. If no, the league reverts to superstar-heavy narratives and mega-market dependence. The outcome could reshape the NBA's entire financial future. Private equity firms are watching closely. Franchise stakes are the new gold rush. Owning even a fraction of an NBA team is now a premium financial asset. And the finals, especially one like this, gives those firms real-time valuation proof. We're entering an era where sports isn't just entertainment. It's investment-grade capital. The Pacers and Thunder aren't just playing for rings. They're playing for long-term investor confidence. In the end, one team will win the trophy. But both cities, both franchises, and the entire NBA will walk away with a massive financial win. This is what modern sports looks like. Not just passion and pride, but power, influence, and profit. So the next time you watch Game 7 and think, this is just basketball, remember? This is billion-dollar business dressed as a sport. If there's one industry loving the finals more than ESPN, it's sports betting. Wagers on Pacers versus Thunder are breaking records. From prop bets on Shai's stat line to live game parlays, billions are flowing through betting apps this week. And the NBA is quietly earning too. Through partnerships with sportsbooks and licensing deals, every bet placed means more money back into the league's ecosystem. This isn't just fan engagement. It's a financial pipeline the NBA now relies on. The moment the Pacers and Thunder clinched the finals, merchandise orders exploded. Finals-branded jerseys, snapbacks, and limited edition sneakers are flying off shelves. Last year, the NBA made over $1.6 billion in merchandise sales. This year, they might break that, thanks to the surprise factor of these teams. The crazier the matchup, the more fans want a piece of history. And that means more dollars per fan than ever before. One viral dunk, one clutch three, one finals meme, and suddenly the NBA is everywhere. On YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and everywhere else. But it's not just exposure. It's money. Every highlight reel drives engagement, which drives ad revenue, which boosts sponsor value, which feeds back into the league's bottom line. The finals aren't just being watched. They're being monetized in real time. Winning a championship changes more than your Wikipedia page. It changes lives. Players become brand ambassadors. Owners unlock new real estate and investment deals. Cities build new arenas and rebrand entire districts. The finals don't just crown a champion, they create legacies. Legacies that carry real financial weight for decades to come. And that's the untold story of the 2025 NBA Finals. A billion-dollar business behind every dribble, dunk, and dollar. If you want more stories like this, where money meets sports, power, and influence, subscribe to the Money Manual right now. Because the next time the world's watching the game, you'll already know who's winning off the court.